I believe all of us, at some point in our lives, has wondered what it would be like to leave the hustle and bustle of the holidays behind and escape to a remote tropical island. To get into that island spirit, I would strip down, grab the thickest beach towel, and race to the beach to build the largest sand snowman that I could. I would string fairy lights on every palm tree and anxiously await the Speedo-clad Santa to appear. G here from OG Creations. Mele Kalikimaka and happy holidays. It's that time of year, purchasing gifts for others when you really want to be buying all the shit for yourself. So what better way to start the shopping season than with a video tutorial of this kimono style robe, now available for purchase at ogcreationsstore.etsy.com. I'm starting with a 100% rayon kimono style robe purchased from Dharma Trading Company. Using the crumple technique, I gather the material in crumply, scrunchy mounds and secure it with rubber bands. I then roll it into a spiral and secure it again. I soak the robe in a soda ash bath for 20 to 25 minutes and then place it on dye racks for 12 to 24 hours until it's practically dry. Using tinfoil, I create a barrier along the outside of the robe, Now, I don't often use the dye over ice method, or DOI, but thought it would be the perfect technique to use to keep the softness of the fabric. I completely cover the robe in ice, and then using Dharma Trading Company's dry dye powders in colors reminiscent of a Hawaiian sunset: bright yellow, tangerine, amethyst, and imperial purple. I top it off with a layer of soda ash and then set it aside for 24 to 48 hours. It is rinsed thoroughly in cold water and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. It is dried completely, ironed, inventoried, and ready for shipping. The colors are so bright and sunny, just like a Hawaiian Christmas day. I hope you enjoy your holidays with your friends and loved ones. Make memories, and make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next.